Hi, I'm Angelique Batuna.
And I'm Danny Charlton. And together we lead Murex Dive Resorts and the dive center at Lembe Resort here in North Sulawesi, Indonesia.
My love for the ocean started when I was very young, following my father, Dr. Hanny Batuna, on his diving adventures. My father fell in love with diving in North Sulawesi back in the 1970s when he befriended the Bajo people, the sea gypsies, and discovered the beauty and richness of these reefs. It changed the course of his life and later our family's life too. As we continued diving, we began to see the threats to what we love. Overfishing, pollution, and development pressures were putting these reefs at risk. Do the right thing because it's the right thing to do became our motto, and protecting this place became our mission.
That mission is why we do what we do today. At Murex and Lembe, we believe diving and conservation go hand in hand. We partnered with the No Trash Triangle Initiative, intercepting over 250 tons of river waste each year before it reaches the sea, and with Ocean Gardener to plant over 50,000 coral fragments involving divers and the community in restoration efforts. And we also founded the Lembe Foundation, dedicated to supporting neighboring villages.
Continuing the legacy, we have worked hard to protect what matters. Together with other dive resorts in North Sulawesi, we fought against illegal fishing and stopped fish bombing in Bunaken National Park. We helped stop beach reclamation in Kalase, our village here, to save the coastline, and we work with the local community to protect Bangka Island from mining, so its reefs and forests can stay healthy for future generations.
It's not just about us. It's about empowering our local communities, providing jobs, providing training and education. It's about building a generation of conservation leaders, starting with our own kids who now love the ocean and understand the importance of protecting it. Today, guests from around the world can come to Murex and Lembe and see the results of our efforts. They can dive on vibrant reefs, learn about coral conservation, and see firsthand what's possible when a community comes together to protect what it loves. Murex is unique because we combine adventure with conservation, and every diver who joins us becomes part of this mission to protect our underwater world.
And we hope our story inspires others in the dive industry to protect the reefs we all love. Thank you.